Hello, mathematicians. I'm back. All right, we are continuing on with our subtracting of polynomials. So again, every time you see subtraction sign, you should add the opposite. So I have 8m plus a negative 4m cubed plus a negative 6m squared. And again, notice that I have 2 negative signs, 2 subtraction signs, and in this line I have 2 subtraction signs or negative signs. We don't ever lose them. They're always there and always accounted for. Now let's distribute this through. So we're going to add negative 6m cubed. And a negative times negative would be a positive 3m squared. Combine our cubes with cubes, our squares with squares, our ends with m's, so on and so forth. So negative 4m cubed plus a negative 6m cubed would result in a negative 10m cubed. Done with those, done with those. Squares with squares. Negative 6m squared plus 3m squared would result with a negative 3m squared. Done with that, done with that. There's nothing left to combine, so plus 8m. That would be our final answer. And we have 3 terms in our final answer, so this is a trinomial. Last few. All right, number 11, I'm going to rewrite this first set of parentheses plus a negative 5n cubed, and then I'm going to distribute that negative through. Plus negative 5n squared plus negative 8n to the 4th plus negative 4n cubed. Combine our 4's with 4's, cubes with cubes, squared with squared, so on and so forth. So I have negative 8n to the 4th, and that's my only 4th power. So negative 8n to the 4th. Done with you. Now our cubes. Negative 5n cubed plus negative 4n cubed would be negative 9n cubed. Done with you, done with you. Now our squareds. 3n squared plus a negative 5n squared would result in negative 2n squared. Done with you, done with you. And all I have left is my constant. That would be my final answer. And I have 4 terms in the answer, so that would be a polynomial. Last one that we're going to do together. I would encourage you to pause it and try to do it before me. I'm going to rewrite this and distribute that. All right, 4ths with 4ths, cubes with cubes, squares with squares, r's with r's, so on and so forth. 4r to the 4th plus a negative 3r to the 4th would be r to the 4th. That 1 is understood to be there. Done with you, done with you. Now our cubes. So I only have 1 cubed term, so plus 5r cubed. Done with you. Squared terms, 3r squared plus negative 8r squared would be negative 5r squared. Done with you, done with you. And then our last term, negative 8r, done with you. All right, that would be my final answer because I can't combine r to the 4th, r cubed, r squared, and r together through addition or subtraction. So that's my final answer. And I have 4 terms in the answer, so that would be a polynomial. All right. You will do the second half of the worksheet from yesterday for your homework today, and happy mathing.